Hi guys, this is Jam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to unbox the new Barbie Fashionista 160. If you would like to see the details of this doll, just tune into my channel and watch my video. The range of this doll is actually between the year 2020 and 2021. And what I like the most with this new range of Barbies is that they are not contained in the box. They are actually contained in a very cute pink pouch, which is definitely a very beautiful packaging in which every kids or every ladies will definitely love it. So I'm gonna open this right now, so let's take out the zipper. Okay, it's so easy to open. Okay, it's so nice. It's actually same, the usual Barbie. Okay, so let's see. I already took her out of the box, and this is her actual look, which is so beautiful. And she has this Asian face mold. So these are the range of Barbie models for the year 2020 and 2021 for Barbie Fashionista, which is, in my opinion, they are definitely beautiful, but I am not totally impressed because not all have this unique face, because there are actually 3 of them that has a smiley face. But anyway, still awesome. I do love her outfit because this is like an orange polka dot dress with this little yellow choker. Okay, and her shoes colored white, which is amazing. But the style is actually same, the Barbie Fashionista 113. It's just that hers is white color. Regarding her face mold, it's like an Asian face mold, and her makeup is just right, which is a good combination with her dress. And her hair is very long and shiny, and a little bit of wavy style, which complements her look. I hope you liked my video for today, and hope to see you soon on my next videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye!